This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to create a dashboard in Databricks. By the end of this video, you'll have a functional dashboard ready to share and analyze your data effectively. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Databricks workspace. Once you're there, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left side of your screen. You're looking for the option labeled with a plus sign, often found at the top of the sidebar. Go ahead and click on this plus sign, which will present you with several options. From these, choose New, and then select Dashboard. This action will open up a new dashboard canvas for you to start working with. Now, you'll notice the dashboard has a default title at the top left corner. To personalize your dashboard and make it easily identifiable, let's rename it. Simply double-click on the current title, and you'll see it become editable. Go ahead and type in a new name that represents the data or insights you're planning to display. Remember, a clear and descriptive title can make a big difference in identifying the purpose of your dashboard later on. With the dashboard named, it's time to add some data. Data is the heart of any dashboard, so you'll want to ensure it's both relevant and well organized. To add data, you'll need to connect your dashboard to the datasets you have in Databricks. If you're unsure about which datasets to use, take a moment to review your available options and decide which ones will best serve the purpose of your dashboard. Once you've made your selection, follow the on-screen instructions to import the data into your dashboard. This will typically involve choosing the dataset and possibly configuring how it's displayed. Next, let's focus on building your canvas. This is where you get creative and design how your data will be visually represented. Consider what types of visualizations will best convey the story your data tells. Databricks dashboards allow you to include a variety of elements such as graphs, charts, and tables. Take advantage of these tools to create a comprehensive view of your data. Drag and drop these elements onto your canvas and arrange them in a way that makes sense logically and visually. As you build, try to keep the user experience in mind, ensuring that the information is easy to digest and understand. Once your dashboard is populated with data and designed to your liking, the final step is to publish it. Publishing your dashboard will make it accessible to others, allowing for collaborative analysis and insights sharing. Look for the Publish button, typically located at the top right of your screen. Clicking this will save your dashboard and prepare it for sharing. Make sure to review your dashboard one last time before publishing, checking for any errors or last-minute tweaks you might want to make. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and publish it. Congratulations! You've successfully created a dashboard in Databricks. Now, your dashboard is ready to provide valuable insights and facilitate data-driven decisions. Whether you're sharing it with your team or using it for personal analysis, you now have a tool that can transform raw data into actionable information. Thank you for following along with this guide. If you found it helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on making the most of your data tools. Happy analyzing!